What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick and this is Pristine Path Pressure Washing. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, enjoy today's video and have a great day. Did you know that watching cleaning videos can actually decrease your anxiety? So with my pressure washing videos, I can actually decrease your anxiety. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Thanks so much, guys.